Microsoft Excel is rolling out two new functions to help pull data into Excel. We have import text and we have import CSV. Let's dive into these right now. I have File Explorer pulled up, and if you notice, I have a CSV file as that top file. Now, in this example, if I open up that CSV file, it opens in Excel and it happens to open up correctly. In the past, I have had CSV files that when I open them up, they don't open up correctly and the data is all messed up, and I have to use Power Query to clean them up. But we have these two new functions, and I've tested this with a couple bad files that I have. So I first need to get the path to this file, and I will do import CSV first. I'm just going to right click, copy as path. I have the path now. I'm over in cell A1 on a blank worksheet. Type in equal, start typing in import, and you'll see the two new functions that I have. Let's go with CSV. It wants the path. That is a requirement. I'm just going to do Control V, and I'll paste without active content. It went ahead and put in the opening and closing quotation marks for me. There are additional, if you do a comma, there's additional arguments in here. Those three additional arguments, skip rows, take rows, and locale are not required in this one. I'm just going to press enter, and there is my data pulled in correctly. If I hit Control down arrow, I do have 240 fictitious rows of data in here. I tried this with the file that I knew wasn't working correctly, and I had to previously use Power Query to do it. And if I didn't use Power Query and I did Control down arrow, I don't get that correct date format. I would hit blanks. I would hit other text sitting in here. But this is working correctly with my other files. I can't show you those files, but it is working correctly. Now, so that was import CSV. The next one we have, I'm on another worksheet, equal import. If you do import text, you actually have more options here. I'm just going to paste that again. I still have it. Comma, what is your delimiter? In this example, my delimiter, I believe, was a comma. And then you've got additional steps here. So the way to look at this is import text will do more than import CSV. But for me, import CSV has been working great. Let's go ahead and just try this. And there we go again. Another successful import right there. I will put a link to Microsoft's blog post in the description down below, and I'll also put in some steps and screenshots in my blog post. I appreciate your time. Feel free to sign up for my online training for Excel. I also have Teams, Copilot, and Microsoft OneNote. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.